Hello, today we're going to go over how to start up Ubuntu and to run a basic command on the terminal. First of all, you want to open up your virtual machine, whichever one you use. I have VirtualBox open right here, and here's my Ubuntu software already ready to go. So in order to start it up, just going to press this green arrow right here, start. You'll see this come out right here, powering up. And sometimes this process can take a little bit of time, so just bear with me. I'm going to press enter here for try or install Ubuntu. And now it's got to go through its loading process. When it's done, you'll probably hear a little jingle or a sound coming out. That means it's ready for you to move on to the next step. Okay, it's still thinking. Should be any second now. There we go. There's that little sound I was talking about. Okay, so now from here you can select whichever language you prefer from this little column here. I'm going to do it in English. And I'm going to do try Ubuntu. You can install it here if you'd like, but I'm just going to do try, just to do a little test run. And let it do its thing again. This one won't take you nearly as long. There we go. Okay. So once you have Ubuntu opened, you'll have something that looks like this. And in order to get to the terminal, what we want to do is go up here to Activities. Click on that. And then under the search bar, just start typing in terminal. It'll look something like this. A little half winky face looking thing. Open that up. And you'll come to a command console with the signature little $sign right here. So if we wanted to say print the date out, the time and the date, all we want to do, just type in date. And there you go. It certainly is Friday, January 27th of 2023. We're already that far in. So yeah, that's how you do the simple printout on the terminal in Ubuntu. And in order to get out of here, you can do Control D, or as I would like to do, just simply say exit. Press enter. And that'll do it.